Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
side's done. Front bumper's been stressed, so we've got more around the badge's been stripped off, so we can get it nicely in there. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Quite nice. While they prep the back bumper, there's little inlays inside there, so we don't stretch it in. Yeah, so we'll crack on, get the back bumper done, and that'll be that. So that's the front bumper all laid down. Yeah, quite tricky, as any front bumper will be. Pretty much all cars are quite tricky. Quite a lot of curves, quite a lot of areas where we need to stretch it in. So around there. Still need to tuck this bottom bit and trim it all off, but making nice progress on there. Just this side left to do, and the other side's already been done. All the badges and wing mirrors and everything's on the car, so not a lot left to do. So we'll keep cracking and we'll check back in a bit. That's the Abarth all done. That's what it looks like. If you didn't know, you would think that came out of factory like that, because you can't get them in similar color to this. So yeah, super glossy, almost looks like paint. We've also fitted the side graphics back on in gloss black. All the badges have been put back on. Only thing left to do, we've got to put the number plate on, and that's it all done. The customer is collecting it today. So yeah, hope you like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.